teleserye was followed up by the blockbuster movies 24/7 and Sister Akas. Our most promising love team of movies and TV, Daniel Padilla and
Presenting the trophy from the Guillermo Foundation is board member Monet Posadas.
Okay, magandang gabi huli sa inyo lahat at maraming salamat huli sa award na to. At sa tuloy-tuloy niyong pagtangkilig ho sa amin dalawa ni Katrin. Maraming salamat. At mas gagalingan pa ho namin para sa inyo at sa lahat ng dito. Thank you so much. Good night po sa inyo. Thank you so much.
the love team that ruled daytime drama and placed the daytime slot in the ratings game. Millions of households and even offices have followed the love story of Sir Chief and Maya, laughed and cried with them, and shrilled